How to fix ear speaker on iPhone not working. In order to fix this issue, the very first thing you want to try doing is move into the settings of a device. Inside the settings, scroll down and then you need to head over to accessibility. Once you're in this page, once again scroll down and move into hearing devices. You have to make sure that you turn on this option, hearing aid compatibility, and then click on OK. It will improve the audio quality with some hearing aids. Once done, now the next thing you want to do is go back and move into General. Scroll all the way down and click on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset and then click on Reset All Settings. Enter the passcode of a device and once again tap on Reset All Settings. Once the settings has been resetted, the issue might be fixed and then you will be good to go. If not, try restarting the device. Most of the time, restarting the device has also fixed the issue, so you might be good to go. So that's a wrap for this video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.